Hey everybody, it's Ian here with the Seek First Adventure. Today we're working on our Airstream renovation, and this next project I am really excited about. We are going to be installing a skylight in the front of the Airstream. Originally there was one of those vents there, and I really don't like that, and we were thinking about potentially just replacing it with a fan, but we thought, what if we did a skylight? So I started doing some research, and some of the older ones had like a dome pop-up skylight right here, and I was trying to find the original parts. Maybe we could retrofit it in this one, and I just really couldn't find a whole lot, and so I just started looking around more and looking at general RV parts, and I found this, which is the Icon. It's a 18 by 34, which is the flange size, and then 14 by 30, which is the actual dome size. And it's kind of a universal fit skylight, and so it's obviously not a direct bolt-in with the Airstream. I'm going to have to do some custom fabrication and some modification, but I was like, hey, this could be really cool. We're going to go for it. It is, it's high impact plastic. It's about a 1/4 inch thick. It's made in Canada, so it's got a little bit of flex to it, which I think is going to be beneficial when it comes to fitting the curve of the roof. There's not a whole lot, there's just a little bit, and anyways, like whenever you put a fan in, those are all flat, so the roof kind of forms to the shape of it, so I really don't think that it's going to be a huge issue. So the first thing we're going to do is cut out the hole for the skylight to fit in. I've already got the original vent pulled out. I had to clean up all the caulking, and then there was a ton of silicone on the roof. So I had to clean all that up, and that took forever. I hate silicone. If you have a trailer or an Airstream, never use that crap. So now that that's all cleaned up, I'm ready to cut that out, and then I'm going to be building a wood frame to kind of give it some bracing, and something to screw into better. So I got that started. So we're going to cut this out. We're going to make sure it's sized right. And then it should all go together pretty smoothly. So I'm really excited about this, so let's get rocking and rolling. Alright, to cut the hole, I'm going to be using the Eastwood electric shears. These are awesome. They can cut up to like 18 gauge steel or aluminum, and they are smooth and fantastic. So yeah. We now have a giant hole in the top of the Airstream. So I'm going to go up top and see how the dome looks on there and fits on there. Alright, so we're up here on the top, and I got it positioned. It's not obviously bolted in, but the hole is great, is the right size, and it looks pretty awesome. I'm not going to lie, I'm really excited about this. So the next step is going to be to build a wooden frame in there. I have the pieces cut and it's all fitted. So we're going to put that in there. We're going to put sealant on everything and screw it all in. I'll probably drill holes first to make sure everything's fitted properly. And then we'll put the butyl tape and caulking and all that good stuff and get it sealed on in there. So we're continuing to install the skylight, and I've built a frame that's going to go up around the hole, and then the skylight's going to screw into it. And this will provide, for one, a connection point for the skylight, as well as a place where the skins will sandwich and attach to that. Otherwise, you'd have just open and it would be kind of floppy and wouldn't have a lot of support. So we're gonna put some sealant. I'm using the Trim Pro 635. I'm gonna caulk the underside of it. Yes. Well, not that.
No?
No.
The caulk again. Okay, yeah, I'm not getting that.
So we're putting that around this just to seal the bottom side, and then on the top I'm going to use the butyl tape, that between the skylights and the aluminum, as well as some more Trim Pro around the edge of that. And then on top of that we're going to use the Dicor self-leveling caulk, and then eventually we're going to put liquid roof over the whole thing. So really don't want
things. Not the skylight.
Well,
not over the skylight.
Yeah. Over the whole top section of the roof. So we got it in there, and it all kind of went together pretty smooth. Now I'm going to finish drilling the holes and screwing it down. Alright, and there it is. It is on, screwed down, and looking awesome. The next thing I'm going to do is put the Dicor self-leveling sealant over the top of everything, and that'll seal that outer seam as well as the screws. So we got the top of the skylight sealed up, we got the Dicor lap sealant on it, and it is all in there. I just got to do a few little things left, like just trim some of the Trim Pro caulking off of the inside of the wood frame and stuff like that. And obviously once the skins are in, we're going to build like a trim piece to go up there. But other than that, it's in. It's actually currently raining, and so far it looks like we're good, no leaks, any of that. So thank you so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our channel. Also, you can check out, we're on Instagram. There's the handle below, as well as a link to our website where we have more information and more blogs and content coming through that. Feel free to like and leave a comment below about what you think. And thank you so much for watching.